We already have the tire base? Yeah.
Joe, somebody! We need to have a few guys go over there, right? Hey, I mean, it's small, like 5-man squad over there.
There's one! Go with him! Go with him!
Hey, what's up? I'm going. No, I said...
Don't go over there.
There's not that many people. We just gotta keep enough so they won't flank us.
We need to hold the right.
I know, but now you're... go behind them! We're getting too much over here. Is it respawns? No, there's respawn right here. Our objective is to watch this target. We're watching from this direction. We're good. We want a couple guys over here watching. Are they respawn? Oh, you're hit! Yeah.
We got the tire base. We're good.
Should we go all the way around and flank them from that side, from the other side, just go from behind them?
We need to just make sure they don't come up to the tire base. If we keep it.
We got a 5-man squad over there. Well, actually, I tried to send 5-man, 30 went.
Yeah, we may have came up a little short.
And we just keep doing this, we're fine. We got those runners in the front. Let's just play second. Oh, this is a windy day.
Ooh.
Where'd that come from? That naughty little BB thought he could sneak his way in here, did he? Oh my gosh, really?
I know, it's ridiculous.
But then again, like, you do lose sight of it last 15 feet.
Oh shit. They're pretty far out. I mean, I'm gonna have to shoot way up. You're not gonna hit them, man. I thought maybe I could get one drift up enough. Come on. Oh yeah, they're not doing anything. He's gonna lay down some fire here.
Get back!
Oh. They're pushing the tire base! You banged him out?
He can only bang 3 out.
3 out and he's dead. So they still got a few on there?
That's them over there.
Huh?
Were they in ACU?
He's just standing there. How are none of these hitting him?
Oh my god.
What the hell?
Where'd you come from, dude?
We have the tires?
That little kid just
We
runs.
got the tires. But we also got a couple guys right here watching this.
They're laying some fire onto the front of this. Are we covered on are we covered on this side? You covering us? Good. How are we looking? We're good. I mean, at least here we are.